Hello, my beautiful Clarence Kitchen lovers. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I want us to make something super delicious. It is called Ofada sauce or Ofada stew, generally or widely accepted by both young and the old because of its deliciousness. It's so easy to make, and let me remind you again, it is addictive. Once you start, you will know how to stop. Started by heating up your pan and adding in your red oil. Then go in with your chopped onions. Blended fresh tomatoes. Pepper mix. Add in your salt. Continue stirring. Added an already cooked beef that I chopped into tiny pieces. I also added iru and continue stirring gently to allow it getting burned. And lastly, you add in your boiled eggs. If today is your first time here, you're highly welcome to Clarence Kitchen. Here we give out easy step-by-step superb food recipe for a healthy living. Please join the family by clicking on subscription button and also on your notification bell to see our next video anytime it drops. Thank you so much as you do so. At this point, the meal is well cooked and the aroma fills this kitchen. And my lovers, it takes you to taste this meal in order to understand my point. If you've watched till this far, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share to your loved ones and family, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel. See you on my next video. Bye.